$717 billion. That's the size of the digital marketing industry right now, and a single person with a laptop is about to eat a huge chunk of it. Across the country right now, people who have never run a business, never written a line of code, and never managed a single employee are quietly building agencies that replace entire marketing teams. They're charging $5,000 a month, $10,000. Some are clearing $30,000. They don't have offices. They don't have staff. They have one thing: AI automation. And the businesses they serve have no idea it's mostly run by one person and a stack of software. This is not some future prediction. This is happening today. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how they do it, and why most people watching will never take action. Here's what changed. 2 years ago, if a local business wanted automated lead follow-up, chatbots, booking systems, and an email nurture sequence, they'd hire a marketing agency. That agency would charge $8,000 to $15,000 a month, assign a team of 5 or 6 people, and deliver results in 8 to 12 weeks. Today, one person can deliver the same outcome in 1 week, using tools that didn't exist 3 years ago. The gap between what a traditional agency delivers and what a single AI operator can deliver has collapsed. And that gap? That's your opportunity. Think about it from the client's perspective. A dentist in Texas gets 50 new patient inquiries a month, but her front desk misses 40% of calls. A roofing company runs Facebook ads, but takes 3 days to follow up on leads. By then, the homeowner already hired someone else. A real estate team spends 20 hours a week on manual follow-up emails that could be fully automated. These businesses are bleeding money, and they don't need a marketing agency. They need someone who can plug in the right automation and walk away. That someone could be you. So what does an AI automation agency actually look like, day to day? Let me pull back the curtain. The core of this business model sits on one platform, GoHighLevel. If you haven't heard of it, pay attention, because it's the single most important tool in this space. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM, funnel builder, appointment scheduler, email and SMS platform, and AI chatbot system. But here's what makes it lethal for this business model. You can white label it. That means you rebrand it as your software and resell it to clients. Your client thinks they're using your proprietary platform. They're paying you monthly to access it. That's recurring revenue from day one. On top of GoHighLevel, the operator's making the most money layer in visual automation tools, N8N, or Make, formerly Integromat. These let you build complex workflows without writing code. A lead comes in from a Facebook ad. The system instantly sends a text, qualifies them with an AI chatbot, books an appointment on the calendar, and notifies the sales team, all within 60 seconds. No human involved. The speed-to-lead advantage alone is game-changing. Data shows that responding to a lead within 5 minutes makes you 21 times more likely to close the deal. Most businesses take hours. Your automation does it in under a minute. Now, you're probably thinking, this sounds complicated. It's not, and I'm going to prove it. The first automation every new agency owner should build is what's called a speed-to-lead system. Here's exactly what it does. A potential customer fills out a form, clicks an ad, or sends a message. Within 30 seconds, they get a personalized text and email. An AI chatbot engages them, asks qualifying questions, and if they're a good fit, books them directly onto the calendar. The business owner gets a notification with the lead's details and the appointment time. That's it. One automation. And you can build it in an afternoon once you know the tools. The beauty of this is the demo. When you show a business owner their phone lighting up with a booked appointment 60 seconds after a test lead comes in, the sale is already made. They've never seen anything like it. And you just showed them in real time. Let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets interesting. There are 3 pricing tiers that work in this space. Starter, $1,500 setup fee, $497 per month. You deliver the speed-to-lead automation, basic CRM setup, and the white-labeled platform. Growth, $3,000 setup, $997 per month. Everything in Starter, plus AI chatbot, review generation, and a full email nurture sequence. Premium, $5,000 setup, $1,500 per month. The full stack, custom workflows, advanced reporting, ongoing optimization, and priority support. Now here's the math that should get your attention. 10 clients on the growth plan is $9,970 in monthly recurring revenue, just from the subscription. Add the setup fees and you're looking at $130,000 in your first year. With one person, no office, no employees. And every month, that recurring revenue grows as you add clients. And almost nobody cancels, because the automations are running their business. They can't turn it off. The number one question people ask is, how do I actually get clients? And the answer is simpler than you think. The approach that works best right now is the free audit. You find a local business. Google Maps, literally just search dentists, plumbers, HVAC companies in any city, and you run a quick audit. How fast do they respond to inquiries? Do they have automated follow-up? Is their Google review process optimized? Most businesses fail on all three. You send them a short video walking through what you found and what you'd fix. No pitch, just value. 70% of business owners will respond to that. And when they do, you're already positioned as the expert. Stack that with content on social media. Short videos showing automations in action, before and after results, client wins. This builds social proof fast. Join your local BNI chapter or Chamber of Commerce. Show up where business owners already are. 3 clients in 60 days is not aggressive. It's the standard timeline for people who actually execute this. And those first 3 clients become your case studies, your testimonials, and your referral engine. Once you have 5 to 10 clients running, you're at a crossroads. You can stay lean and pocket everything, or you can scale. Here's how the smartest operators do it. First, document every single process, every automation you build, every client onboarding step, every troubleshooting fix. Turn it into standard operating procedures. Second, hire a virtual assistant at $5 to $10 an hour to handle client communication and basic maintenance. Now you're free to sell and build. Third, expand your service offering. Clients who are paying you for lead follow-up will pay you more for AI-powered review management, social media automation, and advanced reporting. Your existing clients are your easiest upsell. The playbook is simple. Pick one niche, master one platform, get 3 clients, document everything, then scale. Most people will watch this video and do absolutely nothing. They'll save it, think about it, maybe share it with a friend, and move on. But some of you are different. Some of you are going to open GoHighLevel tonight, build your first automation this week, and send your first audit by Friday. If you're that person, subscribe. Because next week, I'm breaking down the exact automation templates that are generating the highest ROI for agencies right now, and you're going to want to see it.